Working with remote sensing datasets, there are certain instances that we come across comparing image datasets at different scales. So for example, there are Landsat based vegetation products at 30 meter scale, and we have to compare coarse pixels or higher resolution results or the vegetation based products from MODIS based sensors. In these occasions, we have to downgrade the high resolution Landsat based product to the resolution of MODIS based product or low resolution product. In this example, I am going to show you how we can compare forest cover datasets at 30 meter resolution to a vegetation index at 500 meter resolution. So having said that, for the 30 meter product, I will use Hansen Global Forest Cover Change 2020 dataset. And for the low resolution product, I will use EVI 16 days global 500 meter dataset. So first of all, we have to import the MODIS EVI image into the Google Code Editor. So we can do that by creating a variable MODIS. From the image collection, we can get the MODIS based product. So we can get the image collection ID from here, and from the entire data set we can select a single image, because we can't actually import the entire image collection. We have to select only one image from the and save it on the variable. For this example, first image, and from here we have to select the EVI or the product that we desire. For this example, I will get the EVI product. So then we can display this and see whether how the pixels or the product is visualized, and we can add layer and get the variable here, and give the minimum and maximum values. So we can run it and see whether how it displays. So when you are seeing this, you can clearly see that the pixels are not that accurate, or you can see a coarse pixels around the considering region of interest. So the next step is we have to get the map projection of the MODIS dataset, because when we downgrading the Landsat image to the MODIS data product resolution, we have to use the MODIS. We have to reproject the Landsat based vegetation product into the MODIS product. So we can get the MODIS projection by writing an inbuilt function. So I'll show you the MODIS what's the output also. In this way we can get the projection of the MODIS vegetation based product. So here you can see it has the coordinates reference system SR ORG 6974. Then we are going to load the forest cover from the Landsat image. So we can use this image ID. In here we have to specify the which year that we want to select, and we can do that by using a select filter. So let's run it again. So the code is working up to now, and then we can write add layer function to visualize the forest data set. So we are going to select the maximum 80% forest cover here. I'll comment it out, and you can see clearly how the resolutions comparison between the first and second. So in here you can see the pixels are much more clear and also sharp, because the resolution of the Landsat based image cover is high. So now we have to use a function to downgrade this resolution of the Landsat data set. For that we can create force this forest cover dataset to reduce its resolution. We can do that by writing a reduce resolution function. So we have to give the arguments also. We have to specify that we are considering the mean value when we are reducing. So likewise we can give the reducer function. We can specify the reducer function, and the next step is to reproject the entire dataset. So here we can specify the CRS, or the coordinates reference system that we need to output. So finally we can add as a map layer we can give the relevant arguments here. Now let's run it again. So the problem is that we have a syntax error in this argument. Now let's run it again. So in order to visualize very easily, we can comment the previous map layers. So now you can see the comparing the previous image and this image, the resolution has been downgraded into a coarse. So because the pixels you can see are really coarse when comparing to the previous occasions. So again, I will explain you what we did in each of the steps. First of all, what we did was we add the Modis image from the image collection and select the first EVI product from here, and then we got the map projection parameters map projection from the above image dataset. And then the next step was to get the higher resolution vegetation cover product, which is the Hansen global forest change. And then we conducted the reduce resolution function to reduce the resolution of the high resolution Landsat base product. And when doing that, we selected the mean value instead of the maximum or the minimum values out of the neighboring pixels. And when and we conducted reproject using the Modis projection. And finally, we added the downgraded product into the map as a map layer. So I hope you understand what we did here. See you in the next video.